Dogs token was one of the most trending viral meme coins at the end of 2024, but has since then fell off and is down nearly 45%. Here's some news, some updates, and some things you need to know about Dogs meme coin. But first and foremost, welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at Dogs meme coin. First and foremost, we can see we are down about the 45% on the 30-day. Down about 8.4% on the week. However, we are up 1.6% on the 24-hour. In terms of trending tab, guys, we're still trending in at number 8, which is insane because the only other massive reputable meme coin on this list would be Nero, maybe shitcoin. Maybe it's still pretty new, but it's absolutely massive how it's been holding a trending position for so long. But we're not seeing much movement in the price, right? We can see we're up about 1%. Market cap is currently at $450 million, which is not bad at all, especially for a newer meme coin and a bunch of exciting things going on in the market. But talking about new meme coins, guys, I want to take a second to highlight this meme coin that can be launching very soon, and that is Pepe Unchained. So if you haven't heard already, Pepe Unchained is a meme coin that is changing everything and has been gaining so much hype. They have just raised their $15 million milestone, so $15 million raised in the pre-sale alone. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during pre-sale to max out on your rewards before the price skyrockets. Offering a massive 140% AP. Pepe Unchained, better speeds, better gains, and same delicious Pepe flavor. Instant bridging between ETH and Pepe chain. Low transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and a dedicated block explorer. And we can see what is Pepe or about Pepe Unchained in the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes. Token powers the Pepe token powers the entire ecosystem. You're early enough to witness a new golden age of meme coins with Pepe in his rightful place as king, and Pepe Unchained layer 2 his kingdom. And in 19 hours they're having their next price raise. So if you love meme coins, you love Pepe style meme coins, this is going to be the one you're going to want to load up on. Make sure you load up now. $15 million raised is no joke. We anticipate this to pop off. All right, but back to Dogs. We can see this was posted earlier today. Dogs announces end of airdrop and upcoming token burn event. So the end of airdrop, the final distribution of airdrop tokens has concluded on September 19, 2024. So just a couple days ago. The total amount of tokens distributed was 380 billion tokens, which hence shows why a lot of it has been dumping because people are probably just selling, taking profits. Total number of claimers is over 20.5 million. No vesting or locks. Tokens are available for withdraw from day one. Community vote on token burn. Holders will play a critical role in voting decision for the number of unclaimed tokens to be permanently removed from circulation. Your participation is key in shaping the future of Dogs. Charitable contribution. A portion of the unclaimed tokens will be donated to charities selected by the community, and the opportunity for investors. With the airdrop ending and a token burn imminent, this period represents a strategic entry point for new investors as a new rally, a new hype can begin. Because take it in, all the distribution is done. The burning is coming. A lot of people already dumped their airdrop tokens, meaning there could be now a decent opportunity for growth. Because here's the thing: that whole campaign, the airdrop campaign, was a massive marketing event and really got Dog's name out there. And now going forward, even after a massive dump, remember almost 49% dump, 45% dump, we're still at $451 million market cap, which is nothing shy of. So we can anticipate this to continue growing up. All right, how long ago did you open Dogs app? You should now decisions on what's next with the 17 billion tokens depends on your choice. So we can see for the Dogs holders, you got to open the app to make a choice. Remember, this is a community driven project and we want the whole community to be involved in these decision making, right? We can see Dogs is running on a downwards trend. The next move could be a dip in sell side liquidity, but before that, the candles can hit a bearish point of interest. Not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research and due diligence before making investment moves. Okay, but that's interesting analytics. Again, guys, I think with this meme coin standing at an interesting position where it could really flip in the right or even wrong decision, right? Again, a lot of dumping has taken place, but now it's starting to rebuild. Remember, 3.8 million followers on Twitter is no joke. And we can see the largest meme coin event in history is attending. Web3 is attending. Dogs community is so on board. So it looks like Dogs going to be at this massive event. Big Kid officially at 6 today. Okay, a little retweet. And then a little update. Hey dogs, the last day to confirm your claim is September 18th. Hurry up, the airdrop will finalize on September 26th. All right, so that was the last main update from the team themselves. But again, I think for dogs, there could be a brighter future ahead. Again, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish for dogs? Are you bearish? I do want to hear it all. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, this is your friend Umar. Peace.